Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Buford now. It's 4 o'clock. This is our last job of the day. This is a $210 job. Carpet's in really good shape. Should be a quick, easy job. There's 6 areas here. Stairs, living room, hallway, and 2 small bedrooms. Not much to see really. This will be a quick, and actually the bedroom's got a good size right there. Should be a quick, easy job. And then here's the master. We have 2 small dogs, so we're treating it for odor at no charge. And there's one spot right there. Everything else looks like in good shape, so we'll knock her down and see how it goes. Okay guys, it's 4:30. 4:30, 4:45, what time is it? Yeah, 4:31. We just finished up this 4 o'clock job. It was $160. I'm sorry, $210. There was 6 areas. There were several spots in this master that I noticed kind of after the fact. There was probably a good dozen spots located in this area over here from the small dogs. There were little yellow spots, but as you can see, they all came out. So everything's been cleaned. This was a repeat customer. So we had the master here, the 2 secondary rooms, the hallway, and the stairs down to the basement. Not much to see in these other 3 areas. But again, no per spot fees, no upsells of any kind. Give us a call, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Be kind to one another, and we'll see you next time.